Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure deep sleep issues in React Native apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will address how to configure deep sleep issues in React Native apps. Begin by ensuring that you have a good understanding of React Native and its lifecycle. Next, install the required dependencies by using npm or yarn. Start by running the command for either npm or yarn in your terminal. For npm, type npm install save React Native background task. For yarn, type yarn add React Native background task. Now, link the native modules to your app. If you are using React Native version below 0.60, run React Native link React Native background task. If you are using version 0.60 or above, the linking happens automatically. The next step is to configure your app for background tasks. Open your Android manifest.xml file found in the android/app/src/main directory. Add the following permission for background tasks. Uses permission Android and name equals android.permission.wait. Next, navigate to the main application.java file in the android/app/src/main/java/com/your app folder. Import the background task package by adding import com.transistorsoft.locationmanager.background task. Then, in the onCreate method, add the line to register the background task by calling background task package. After that, implement the background task logic in your application. Create a new file called backgroundservice.js in your project directory. In this file, import background task from React Native background task. Define your task's logic within a function. Use backgroundtask.define to specify the task. Make sure to include the logic that you want the app to execute during deep sleep. Next, schedule the background task in your app's main file. Use backgroundtask.schedule to set the frequency and parameters as needed. Implement the task's completion handler to let the system know when your task has finished. Now, go back to your main activity.java file. Override the onTaskRemoved method to ensure that your task runs properly after the app is closed. In this method, make sure to call backgroundtask.finish to complete the task. Finally, test your app to verify that the deep sleep configurations are working as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.